morning! It's just a little bit after 11. Yeah, last night was great. Lots of fun, great people. Sarah and I actually stayed over at Melissa's house, because we watched Burlesque, and the movie finished at like 4 or something, and then we all kind of just went to bed, and I could not fall asleep. Like, my body was just totally awake. My head, like, my thoughts just kept going. I don't know when I actually fell asleep, but I definitely watched the sunrise. The basic point that I want to record is that lots of fun. Definitely Apples to Apples is an awesome game to play, especially when a lot of people are drinking. That's a good game. It's really fun. It's funny. So now going with my parents to like get the oil changed and wander around and whatever. So good weekend. Walmart time. Not fun time. And now Publix, and it's really super crowded, so it must be post-rapture shopping. Like, oh crap, we need food. So yeah, Publix again, and yeah, fun. Come on, Candace. She'll bark at me, but she won't go in the water with me. Come on. He's not happy right now. See? Nice. What? I don't know. Someone's not very happy with me right now.
Aww, it's my baby. Hi, puppy.
Who's you, Brittany?